Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to get a consolidated grid of every in-force life policy you manage. You'll also understand how to analyze, sort, and segment your business to uncover trends, manage risk, and identify new sales opportunities. To start, navigate to the Life Policies button on the left-hand navigation. This will show you a list of all of your life policies. From here, you're able to sort most columns from A to Z and vice versa by clicking on the column name. You can also utilize the scroll bar at the bottom of the table to view even more table columns available to you. Click on this gear button at the top right corner of the table to view a list of all of the table columns. Checking or unchecking any of the table columns you see here will automatically update the table instantly. So definitely come here first to customize your view. You can also move columns if you wish by clicking, holding, and dragging the column and moving it to the desired location. You can use the filters on the left-hand side to dive further into your book as well. By using these filters, you're able to find exactly what you're looking for instead of sifting through a big list of policies. For example, you can utilize filters to find all of your term products, for your policy owners under 35 years old, with a net death benefit amount greater than $500,000. This is important because you may want to engage with these clients to talk to them about a potential UL policy. Many agents today use NIC to segment their policy owners for ongoing management. For example, segment your clients into gold, silver, and bronze clients based on the total premium that they pay. This can be done by easily going to the annual premium filter on the left-hand side and selecting what you wish. Once you're done with the filters, select this checkbox to select all records. You may also see an underlined message here to select all records. If you see this on your end, make sure to click this as well so that truly all records get selected. Next, click on Add to List. This will allow you to save the list of policies for later so you don't have to filter out all of the data again. Make sure to include a name and a purpose for the list so you do remember why you created the list in the first place. Once you're done, click Proceed and your list will be created. Overall, the Life Policies grid in NIC gives you a clear, consolidated view of your in-force business, making it easy to sort, filter, and uncover insights that support smarter decisions and new opportunities. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.